Hey guys, a quick tip video today on stripping your cake dummies. Here I've got an old one which is now faded, broken and very dusty. Depending on how you store your dummies, they can last several years. However, in a hot, sunny conservatory like mine, they don't fare quite as well. So it's time for this one to go. Firstly, you'll want to take off all your decorations as much as possible and separate the tiers. Mine were stuck with melted chocolate, which is a bit kinder than royal icing when separating them. Sometimes the royal icing can set so hard it rips chunks of the dummy out from underneath. So the main thing to note on this cake is that I stuck the sugar paste to the dummy with water. As you can see, cutting and removing it isn't too difficult, but you can damage the dummy picking at it with a knife. It comes off slowly in little pieces. So here it is with half removed. To make this easier, you can microwave it. Only put it in for 20 seconds at a time, just so the sugar paste is warm to the touch. Any longer and you will melt your dummy. The dummy will change shape and melt, so make sure you keep your eye on it and only heat until the sugar paste is warm. Now you can see it's much easier to cut through. The chocolate marks are just where I filled holes or lines. This next tier is also stuck with water. Heating it in the microwave made the job a little quicker. As you can see, it can leave a little bit of paste behind and certainly needs a clean. Now onto another dummy. This one has been coated in Trex to stick the paste to. Trex is a veg fat just like Crisco. Just look how satisfying and easy it is to remove the paste. It comes out almost like a brand new dummy. No nicks from the knife or leftover paste. Same with the tier below it, almost like new. So now you have them stripped, they could do with a clean up. This one especially, that's full of ganache. Now you could run those under a warm tap and sponge off the last bits of paste and chocolate, or if you have a dishwasher, let it do the hard work for you. Now you can in fact place a whole dummy with its paste on inside the dishwasher, but I like to remove my paste as I don't like the thought of it clogging all those pipes up. Better safe than sorry. Just run through a 50 quick wash and they come out paste free. Some can have a little staining, but you won't see that. Now, as dry as they can feel on the outside, they will actually be very wet on the inside. Place them on top of a radiator to fully dry out for a few days. Don't be tempted to use them early, as they will slowly start to leak from the bottom. Been there and done it. So the moral of the video is, to make it easier on yourself, cover all your dummies using Trex for a super quick and easy removal. Hope you find this quick video useful. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to see new tutorials each Tuesday. Thanks guys, see you next week.